Hello and welcome to the Cardboard Toy Maker. In this episode, we're going to make the Shredder. Are you ready? Let's go! Alright, you just saw a slideshow. Hope you're inspired. Get out there, go make your own Shredder. And I hope you have a fun day being creative. Bye-bye.